Okay, so here's the hoverboard. When you try and turn it on, it just turns back off immediately. I can hold the button and get that sound, but I can't get it to stay on. And if I push the button a lot, then sometimes it will stay on, but only for a little bit, and then it just automatically turns itself back off. So that's kind of the problem we're having. It just won't stay on. It's not because it's not charged. We definitely have fully charged it, and it just simply won't stay on.